business is a complex adaptive system, right? All on its own. And so things are changing all the time. If you build a system and a business solely that the leader has to give direction in order for people to want to make a change, et cetera, doing it, then you'll actually never be really competitive and fast, because it'll always be limited on the conversation. So if we really envision doing this right, and this is one of the discussions that we've been into, is if we take this lean journey and look at what Todos has done over the years, it doesn't require leadership to be there. If you do it right, you build the environment that enables everybody in the organization to be aligned and have that discussion and drive that improvement all the time. If it requires for a leader to tell them that, oh, we need to eliminate that job or we need to change that position, then you haven't actually accomplished building the environment that you should be trying to build.